Hi, how are you? Start by the name of Allah who is the most merciful and almighty. And today video I will show you how to create ledger from general entries. This is general from which I have created ledger as you can see here. But you don't know about the process how I did that actually. Now I'm going to show you in this video how to do this process in real. Okay. So I have passed different general entries over here and this sheet. Okay, these are general entries. You should first just select the table of the general entries and then go on the insert menu, pivot table. This is the range, the table 1, and over here existing worksheet and new worksheet. So we should choose new worksheet and click OK, right? So now over here pivot table 2. To build a report, choose feeds from the pivot table feeds list. So we have to choose right now over here date, select reference number, account, description, debit, credit. All the tables, all the feeds has been added in this. Now look, over here we have to change. Now it is much difficult to understand reports or entries from this type of table, so we have to change the design of this table, right? Over here design, report layout, show in tabular form. Okay, so now it's been shown in tabular form. Okay, so we can also use change its color, and you can use over here subtitles, expand and collapse. If we collapse entire fields, so only dates will be remain and the data will be collapsed, and you can again use it and expand it, expand and collapse, come expand entire field. So you can do like this, right? These are debits and all the data is here, right? So now what will you actually do? Well, this is sum of reference. Click and click here, backspace. Now comes to the next end and press the space and then enter. So this will be, you can do like this. I'm doing this again. Come to this end, space and enter. No, it's not working. Why? Space and enter, right? So the same process is repeating here, right? Space, enter. Okay, now what we'll actually do now, pivot table analyze, insert slicer, over here accounts. So this menu will be appear on the screen. You can check the amounts, the entries from this separately. Now we are checking this building. This is the ledger of the building, okay, and capital stock. Okay, this is the ledger. Cash, this is the look, cash issued, capital stock, advance payment. So the total credited 93,000 and 1,60,000 is debited. And we can also use a cash a balance entries over here, which I will do. But before this I'm gonna change this pivot table option, field setting, and a field setting you just select here none and OK. This is also one of the other important thing over here. We can use here different information. These are the ledgers, service to be rendered. All the ledgers has been formed from a journal entries, but over here it is important to add a balance. uh, cell, right? Gotta go here, pivot table options. Okay, so no, this is not here. Design. You can repeat all the labels, and again, do not repeat all the labels. So gray, you can use subtotals, grand totals. One for on for rows only, off for rows in columns. This is the cache total. So you can use like this for equipment too, for building, right? Cache number format, you can change the number format from here. Simply click the numbers, and this is the negative amount where you can use like this. Okay, click here, insert slicer. Once we have added, but over here right click, setting. Okay, yes, from here you can use balance, and add this. Custom name is balance. Okay, right now here balance. Okay, so right, this is nothing to do with it. This is all for today, and this way you can easily make or create different ledgers from a journal entries. These are the journal entries, all the journal entries, and the next sheet you have the record separately of every transaction, the ledgers, cash ledger, equipment, account payable. So thank you for watching this, and this is all for today.